On November 25, 2025, Zipline announced a massive partnership with the U.S. Department of State, expanding its life-saving autonomous drone delivery network across Africa. At full scale, this mission could triple the number of hospitals and clinics Zipline serves, jumping from 5,000 to over 15,000 facilities, and giving up to 130 million people instant access to blood, medicine, and critical supplies. This is what autonomous robotics looks like when it changes the world, and the same level of innovation is now available for outdoor mapping through GESAR Inc. GESAR Inc. provides professional, autonomous outdoor mapping software that turns any outdoor property into a precise, data-rich digital map without needing expensive hardware on-site. Our system simulates an autonomous robot navigating your environment and automatically produces clean, accurate maps ready for inspections, planning, robotics integration, automation projects, and more. Whether you're a contractor, engineer, facility manager, developer, or robotics company, GESAR Inc. gives you the power of autonomous mapping at a fraction of the cost. If companies like Zipline are scaling life-saving robotics across entire continents, imagine what autonomous mapping can do for your next project. Contact GESAR Inc. today and unlock the future of outdoor mapping.